In this video, I'll be going over exactly how to rank a website #1 for its keywords. Here are a few examples of websites that we've done this for. So Fine Line Body Tattoo Hawaii, anyone looking for this service, HO Studio Plus Inc. show up at the top. Cosmetic Dentistry Honolulu, they show up at the top at the map pack. Above, people with 323 reviews, 112 reviews show up at the top, and also in the SERPs. Now, how do we do this? I'll go over the essentials that you need to get this done on your website so you can replicate this on your end. Okay, first, we have to make sure our title tag matches up. So we'll just use this website as an example. So you want to show up for Fine Line Body Tattoo Hawaii, put down your title tag right there. Okay, got our title tag covered. Next, meta description. We want to include our meta description, our keyword in our meta description as well. So we can see here Fine Line Body Tattoos, and I have it in Hawaii as well. Super simple. Honestly, just use ChatGPT to generate something for you real quick. Make sure to keep it a bit shorter, so all of it is seen in the title tag. So that's the main things that we're going to do in SERPs. Now when we click on the specific web page, we need to make sure that our first text at the top of the page is an H1 tag. See here, one's H1 tag. So many times I go into a website and I see that this top text is like an H2, H3, H4 text, that you're done. That's not gonna work. You're gonna be outranked by websites that have an H1 tag. So make sure you have an H1 tag, and then make sure there's a hierarchy. So below that you have H2 tags. Right here, H2, and then when it hierarchies down to another H2. So make sure the top heading tag is an H1 tag. Also make sure this H1 tag is your the keyword you want to optimize for. And then along with that, you're going to want to make sure that your content is keyword optimized. So for example, if I were to look up Fine Line, and see there's multiple instances of this keyword being mentioned on this page. And if I were to mention tattoo as well, 34 references to keyword tattoo. And also to note that this text right here is a P code. It's outlined with the P code text, not a H1, not a heading text, a paragraph code. So making sure that's formatted properly as well. So how do you know which keywords to use within your copy? Well, I use a software called Search for SEO, which you can look into. I'll look in the description as well. But using the software, you can see exactly which keywords. It shows you exactly which keywords to use, and also a score to look at your content. It ranks the top 10 websites and gives you the accurate an accurate description of what keywords to use in your content in order to rank, just like the websites in the top 10. So after you get your keywords optimized on your page, you want to make sure your URL is optimized as well, Fine Line Body Tattoo Hawaii. And then with that, you want to optimize your images as well. So if we click this image right here, we can see that it's named Fine Line Body Tattoo 1. That's the image file name. We also see that the alt tag is Fine Line Body Tattoo. So we're signaling a lot to Google that we want to rank for Fine Line Body Tattoo. And what we're able to do is rank #1 for Fine Line Body Tattoo Hawaii. And that's it. That's the entire framework I use to rank websites #1 on Google.